Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Brina. Today I thought we could do some eyeliner. If you are new here, then you may be able to tell by looking at me, but I have hooded eyes. So doing winged liner is sometimes a struggle. I always hated doing it for the longest time because I just never thought it looked very good on my hooded eyes. But recently I discovered a new way of doing my eyeliner that I think looks a lot better on my hooded eyes than the ways that I used to do it. So without further ado, let's get into the eyeliner. So when I do my eyeliner, I don't always just use one kind of eyeliner. I typically use a combination of the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner and the Hank & Henry Slick With It eyeliner. I particularly like the Hank & Henry one because it has a longer felt tip that is actually pretty pointy and precise. So today I'm going to try to just use one eyeliner, and I'm going to attempt to do it with just the Hank & Henry, which I think we should be able to make work. So what I like to do is I first start out by just looking straight ahead, and I like to start with the wing first. Obviously, when you're doing your eyeliner, you can start at whatever place you prefer, you feel most comfortable with, because feeling comfortable while you're doing your eyeliner makes a world of difference. If you don't feel comfortable with your technique, your eyeliner is not going to turn out well. Trust me, I know from experience. So I like to start by doing the wing first, and then I like to connect. So that is going to be my wing. Okay, my mirror is not in the best position for this, so I'm going to be using this little compact mirror to show you what I'm talking about. I like to start by looking straight ahead, so where my eyes are in their relaxed position like this. I just draw that line right over the hood. And now that I have that drawn, when I open my eye, that is what it looks like. So I just connect and fill that in, and then I only line about that far in. And to complete the liner, taking a black pencil liner, I fill in my lash line all the way across. And that's it. So let me go ahead and show you again on the other eye. Now, before I do this eye, let me just say that my eyes are not equally hooded. First, I want to start out how I started with this one, just so that way I can get the wings even, well, as even as possible. And they're not even. Wow, those wings are definitely not the same. And then just finish it off with pencil liner. Apparently throw it as well. Get it nice and covered with cat hair. It's the best way to apply pencil liner. This is another reason why I don't do liner very often. It always comes out super uneven. But regardless, this is how I do my liner on my hooded eyes. And I guess this is a good way to show you what different liner placement looks like. So now I'm going to throw on some lashes. For lashes today, I'm wearing the Ardell Wispies, and that's it for this eyeliner tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up if you found my tips for hooded eyes eyeliner helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!